But I know that the UIM, which has its ups and downs, which struggles to get our finances and get money, and the people will get shocked if they knew that a party like the DA runs on a budget, the ANC runs on a budget of more than 20, 30 million a month, Jock. We're lucky if we get 15,000 rand a month. That's a fact. You can come look at our bank accounts. We don't get any money. Yet we are the largest, undeniable. You can ask Marlize. We are the largest social media outreach party in this country. That when Marlize puts out the stats, that over a period of 6 months, we nearly get 8 to 9 million views. Yet we can't turn the UIM to the next phase to get going. We are fighting not to get our voice heard. We are fighting to make sure that the people that stuff all the things up in this country hear us very loudly.